The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, unveiled last week, is now on sale in India through Motorola's official Indian website, Flipkart, and leading retail stores, including Reliance Digital. The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion comes in Pantone Slipstream, Pantone Amazonite, and Pantone Zephyr colors with two memory options, 8GB per 256GB and 12GB per 256GB, priced at 22,999 Indian rupees, $265/Euro 240, and 24,999 Indian rupees, $290/Euro 260, respectively. The Indian model of the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion is powered by the Dimensity 7400 SoC and packs a 5,500 mAh battery, while other versions come with the Dimensity 7300 chip and a 5,200 mAh cell. The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion runs Android 15 out of the box, features a 6.67-inch 220p 120Hz POL display, and comes with MEL STD 810H certification and IP68 and IP69 ratings. The Edge 60 Fusion has three cameras, 50MP primary, 13MP ultra-wide, and 32MP selfie. It also has stereo speakers, 68W charging, and an in-display fingerprint scanner.